everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Tony Forex Academy. So today we'll talk about how to open a forex trading account, how you are going to register with the broker, and how you're going to understand features of a trading platform. Then from here you will be able to start trading. So I just went straight to Google and I just typed how to open a forex trading account. So the first thing that you need to know that to open a forex trading account, you'll need to choose a reputable broker. That is a broker that is registered and is regulated. Then there are various steps that you'll need to follow before you start trading. For example, here is a more detailed breakdown of how to choose a reputable forex broker. That is depending on your country where you are located. So you will need to search for regulated brokers, those who maybe will not disappear with your money, you see, because your money is what you want to focus on. So the first thing is you need to research and select a broker that is regulated by a respected financial authority, such as the Financial Conduct Authority. You will need to do a good research. There are various brokers, I believe, right now, so many countries, and these brokers have already registered in those countries. So the next step is you will need to register an account with this broker. After you have identified this broker, depending on your location, your country, you go to the broker's website and then you open an account or you register. Okay, you are going to complete the application form, providing personal information, all these details. Make sure you fill them correctly, because in this trading or forex registration process, you'll need to register real details. For example, you'll need to use your identification details given to you by your government. You'll also need to provide proof of identity or an address. It could be a passport, it could be utility bill, water bill, electricity bill, gas bill. Then the next step, remember, you don't just go to open a forex trading account with a broker, yet you don't have any idea what forex is. So you must have known, okay, what is forex, what do I need to know? You just don't go there and just open an account. No, because remember, this step 3, it's saying you need to fund your account. So you cannot go and fund something. This is not gambling. You're not going to fund something and just start trading randomly. So you must have known what is forex and what does it entail. But for this video specifically, meaning you have reached here knowing what is forex. So step 3, you're going to choose a funding method. For example, on your broker's website, once you've completed registration, they are going to have various methods of funding your account. It could be through bank transfer, credit or debit card. It could also be through just a mobile money transfer. So once you've done that, you're going to deposit the minimum amount required by this broker. But also this depends on what level are you as a trader. Maybe you're just opening with another broker because you know how to open an account and you have been trading. That is a different case. But for a beginner, it is advisable at least know the minimum amount, because trading is all about risk and you are at risk of losing your money. So at least deposit the minimum amount required by the broker to activate your account. Once your money is there on the broker's platform, they always have two options. One, there is the real account where your money is, and there's the demo account. The demo account, you can always use it for practice. The demo account has already money that is there, but it is not real money. It is just money that you can use to practice. So most brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual funds. because this is a great way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking your real money. So the last step is you're going to start trading. Once your account is funded and verified, you can begin trading. And then there are other platforms that we can use. Remember, not every time you need to go to the website and look for this broker, log in and start trading. No. There's MT5 and MT4. So on these platforms, you can register as many brokers as you can. But before we go to that direction, you need to know what is MT5 or what is MT4. So I'll show you here again. Let me just show you here what is MT5 or MT4. MT4 or MT5, these are both popular trading platforms that are developed by MetaQuote software. These are softwares that you can just download on your computer, and then this software will enable you to connect with your broker through a server. Your broker is going to give you details on how to connect with them through this platform. So MT4 is a more established platform and it's simple to use, while MT5 is a newer version that offers broader market access and more advanced features. So in this case, I've decided to show you how to open a trading account using one broker that is known as XNES. I don't know if, depending on which broker that you know, just after doing your research, you've settled on this broker, maybe you can also do a research on the withdrawal and the deposit methods, what people say about this broker, how easy it is to deposit money, and how easy to withdraw your money once you've made some profit from this trading. So XNES offers various trading platforms on both MT4 and MT5. So let me see, where is XNES? I'm going to start here. So once you've googled XNES, you will just click on the trading platform, or where it will take you to register, this section. Once you click on this part, first, like my computer is asking me to verify. Okay, the verification is successful. So on this part, you can see it's telling us to create an account. Okay, so you're going to choose your region or your country in this section. You're going to provide your email address in this section, and you're going to also select a password that meets all these requirements. That is between 5 to 8 to 15 characters, at least one. All this that you see here, make sure that you have a very strong password that you can also remember, and then you click continue. I believe they're going to send you an email to activate your account. So you log into your email and then you follow the link to activate your account. You'll have all your details. Once you're on your broker's website, that is XNES, you are going to be able to see various features that you need to know about it. But okay, let me just show you something on XNES here, because I don't trade using XNES. So how about when you just see the platform, XNES on web terminal? Let me just show you on the web terminal how it looks like in this section, because we have two options that we can download these two trading platforms, that is MT5 and MT4. But here I'm going to show you before we download either of these two. So let's click on this. Okay, but it's trying to tell us to sign up to XNES terminal. So I believe this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let me just download the MT5 from Exness, and let's see how it looks like. So let me see. So I have followed all those processes of creating the account, and now I am on the web page of Exness trading account. This is how it looks like, and you can see that it has this the account section. Like I said before, it has two options, the real account side and the demo account side. So once you're logged in like this, it's very simple, right? So you can check details. This is the deposit part. So you need to complete your profile. You create an account, and then this is the withdrawal section. And then what we need to know that is very, very important is how to now start trading once you have a Exness account. For example, let me see, there's always the trading platform, let me analytics, okay, the various sections. So you need to like complete your profile. So okay, all right. So when you click on this option of completing your profile, let's see, it's taking some time to open. Okay, so you're going to confirm your email. Okay, let me just do it later, but in this case I think maybe you can confirm I can confirm the phone number, add profile information, all those steps. Once you finish filling all your details, I believe they're going to give you the account details. Once you have those account details, then now you can download MT5. So how does MT5 look like? Let me show you how MT5 looks like on the next video. So this is how MT5 looks like, but this is a desktop version for my PC, but there is a phone version which is quite different from this one. So in case you have downloaded this one for the PC or the desktop, this is how it looks like. So here we can see the charts for this pair for USD CHF. But first, if you need to access your broker through this platform, you will come here on file section, and then you come to log in to trade account. So here you're able to see that you have the login session. So for this part, your broker has already provided you with the login details. You have your login details. For example, if it is let me see, I have here, for example, a number like this one provided for you by your broker, and then you have your password which you created, and then your server. All these details are provided to you by your broker through your email, and you can always also get these details on your web page once you log into your trading for trading account. So there's the demo, and then there's the virtual market server. But once you have these details, your broker is going to give you these details, and you're able to log in. Once you have the correct details and the server details, all these three, 1 2 3, once you have this one, you just click OK, and you're logged in like that. Once you're logged in, so how do you place a trade? how do you place a trade. That is very important, because at this point you want to trade. You can come here on the trading section down here, and then you can see various currency pairs, all of them you can see. So for example, you wanted to trade. Here we can see Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. For example, you want to place a sell order, you can see on this other side, but right now we can see there's a sell and there's a buy option. There's a sell and a buy option. So that's it. You just place your order like that, and you're able to navigate through these section. So if you see these MT5, you're able to see that there are various tools. You can see objects, even the time frame that you want to use, everything that you need here, everything that you need is here. And yes, that's just it, how to use MT5 for the web, for the desktop version. Maybe in another video I'll show you how to use the MT5 on your mobile phone. Once you download the app, it's the same thing. You find your broker using the broker's name. You just search. For example, if you come here, you can search for your broker here, find your company, list of companies. For example, if you look for a company like Exam Global, or okay, Global, let me see if you're able to find it. Let me see. Okay, let's see if XNets I can find it. I'm not able to find it. Okay, it's okay. Once you're able to find your broker, you're going to log in and start trading. That's just it. It's that very simple. So you can also use your demo account on your MT5, and that's it. You're ready to start trading. And also for this channel, don't forget to subscribe to Tony Forex Academy. You can reach to us through the link is on this YouTube channel. You can go to Tony Forex Academy. You can look at it at our Telegram group. We have a group there where we can always communicate. On TikTok, Tony Forex Academy, on all the social media platforms, Tony Forex Academy. Yes, that's it. And if you have any question, you can comment on the section below. I'll put various links on how to do all these processes from the Google section, search, and you can just ask any questions. It's very easy. Or there are various other tutorials apart from this one, how to open a trading account. I believe there are also better videos how to do this. Once you have this, you are ready, and you can focus on mastering your trading journey. That is, for example, various strategies that you develop. Remember, about trading is about growth. It's not a one-time thing that today you start trading and then that's it. No, it's all about growth. It's gonna take some time if you're a beginner, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. So Forex is just like any other business. You treat it like that, with respect, with discipline and focus, and then you grow with it, and you'll become profitable and successful. Thank you for watching this video up to this far.